Hey, it's Meat here. Today we're going to make some easy pot roast using a slow cooker. So let's get to it. I'm just a regular dad trying to cook delicious meals for my family, and I don't always have time to fire up the grill or play with my pellet smoker. So I tend to rely on my slow cooker quite often, and I'll take this opportunity to show you how I cook my pot roast. First, let's talk about ingredients. I have about 4 pounds of chuck roast, potatoes, chopped onion, chopped celery, sliced carrots, ranch seasoning mix, gravy mix, beef broth, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, a bay leaf, salt, pepper, and a stick of butter. Let's get the chuck roast out of the package. Season them with simple salt and pepper on both sides. Using avocado oil, brown the meat on both sides for flavor. This is a large piece of meat, so it will take a while. Next, keep the grease from the meat and throw a stick of butter into the pan. And mix all your veggies and cook them until soft. Now go ahead and add 1 packet of gravy mix and a ranch mix. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and add 2 cups of beef broth. Mix it well and bring to a boil. Turn the heat off and set aside. Throw in the chuck roast into the slow cooker. Add potatoes and pour the vegetable mix into the cooker. Add a bay leaf and close the lid. Turn the cooker on low heat and the prep work is done. Let the cooker do its thing and let's come back in 8 hours. It's been 8 hours and let's check and see how it turned out. The meat is fully cooked to be tender and the juice will have all the flavor from the meat and vegetables. To be honest, it is pretty hard to mess up this recipe using a slow cooker. What other slow cooker recipes do you guys have? Please let me know in the comments section and I'll give it a try. In the next video, I'll come back with another griddle top cooking menu. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Please also check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.